Hello friends, welcome to Pravegaa Education. My name is Kunal Jaswal and here I am with an announcement. So guys, as you know, yesterday the CSIR has basically released the notification for the NET examination of December 2024, and the exam is going to held in the Feb month. To be precise, from the 16th April, basically between the 16th February to 20th February. Okay. So as the exam is near, Pravegaa Education is going to launch a crash course program, which we also call the Quality Improvement Program for the CSIR NET exam, GATE exam and JEST exam. So what we will do in this crash course program, we will solve some previous year questions, not only from the NET exam, also from the JEST exam, GATE exam, GNU entrance exam, okay, TFR exam, okay. We will also provide you the test series from the Pravegaa Education, which will help to rectify the problematic area of your preparation, where you will get to know, okay, actually at what point you are facing the problem as far as any particular topic is concerned. And last but not the least, I will also tell you about the strategy and the tricks, because at certain steps there is a strategy which can reduce your effort in the examination hall in those 3 hour duration. So these 3 things we are going to, and apart from this also, like if you talk about the solving PYQs, then not only the previous year question, but also the question from the some very specific, very good textbook. Like if you take the example mathematical physics, then from the Afkin Weber, classical mechanics, then from the Goldstein, and then just giving you the example. So we'll also take some questions from this textbook also. The session will be very intense, and our main aim to basically prepare you, or you can say enhance your preparation to basically with the help of this crash course program. Okay, so guys, the time is very less. अगर आप देखोगे उसको तो आपको दिखेगा कि हाँ भाई अभी है 2 महीने, just 60 days, but ये 60 days कैसे निकल जाएंगे आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. So I guess ये बहुत ही अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है आप लोगों के लिए to basically connect with us, join the Pravegaa and enhance your preparation. So this crash course program is going to start from the 18th of December 2024. That means after a week or so. Okay, and for any type of inquiry, you can call this number to our manager Satish sir, and he will give you the entire information. Okay, so the main thing you can get from this crash course is the intense problem solving sessions. Okay, and I think before the examination, means before 1 month or so, I guess this thing you have to do, and this is going to help you in every manner. So guys, thank you so much. This was all about the crash course and the things which I had to deliver. So thank you so much. Please join this crash course and enhance your preparation for the CSIR NET exam. Thank you so much.